the third bell rings, that means you're doomed unless of a miracle. So, the parents left the house with the babysitter there, with the murderer in the basement, which would never happen.
Never.
I'm just telling everyone which would never happen.
Never happen.
So they hear the first bell.
Just a story.
They're playing with dolls, and the first bell rings, and the kids go, "Oh, we hear that all the time. The dogs will get them." The second bell rings. We better hide. She had the kids in the bathroom and her under the couch. She fell a lick. And then, when she pulled her hand back in, it wasn't a dog lick. It was her hand was really bloody. She went into the bathroom to check on the kids, and written in blood on the mirror, "Humans can lick too," and the kids were dead. So then,
What are you doing?
then the babysitter just stayed there until the parents got back. La 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 la. So the babysitter was watching TV, and the third bell rang.
Just because I don't
Now
want to at night.
the babysitter is dead.
Hi.
And that all happened at
Done with the sticks in the fire. I want you to go wash your hands really well,
still
okay?
on top. How's it going, Olivia?
Yay, man.
Good.